Hello everyone, welcome to your moral science class. Children, I am explaining you the chapter 4, that is your consideration. In this chapter, you have studied in the previous class how Motulal went to his business trip, and while returning he also faced the problem because one lady wanted to sit on his seat, but he scolded, became very angry on that woman and told her to leave the place. So while returning, after attending his business, Motulal have to return. Okay, and now this time he had no any reservation. Okay, he had tickets but no reservation he still got. Okay, children. So he wanted to sit somewhere. He boarded in the train and he started to look of friendly people. Friendly means that the person, those who are kind. So he started to share. Okay, started to see the people like that, those who are very kind. And children, this is the consideration short notes. You will must study and write these short notes in your copy. Okay. So the story. Next, I am going to explain you after this page that how the Motulal could not find anyone. Okay, he could not find none and he stood for some time, but his legs soon got tired. Okay, first he started to stand on the tried to stand on the first leg, then other leg, then both, and lastly he became very much tired. Okay, children. So when he did not get anyone, nobody was ready to give him place, so finally on the berth, so finally he was not able to stand more longer, and after that he sat down on the berth of an old lady. Actually before sitting down, he sat on the berth of a old lady. He was waiting, nobody has given chance, but without asking he sat down on a grumpy looking lady. Grumpy, that the very irritated type woman. Okay, so he sat on the grumpy looking lady, and that lady was very bad tempered. Okay, and irritated. So Motulal sat on his berth and she was lying on her berth. Okay, when she saw that Motulal is sitting there, so she also became very angry on him, isn't it? And she said that, "Hey, you there, get up immediately and leave." She said that, "You stand up and now leave the place. Okay, I don't want to accommodate this berth with strangers." Okay, she told that, "I don't have intention, I don't have aim. Okay, that I don't want to share this berth with any strangers, the people, those who are not knowing." So Motulal, lastly what happened, he stood and Motulal tried a few other berths and got similar responses, and when he went to other berth, he was searching, so nobody has given the place, the seat where he can sit. Okay, so finally he sat on the floor. Okay, on in the train, finally Motulal sat in the train. Okay, and facing the toilet. You can see, children, the picture that when Motulal was going on his trip, this lady was also sitting on his place. Okay, on his berth, but he scolded him. Now Motulal had no reservation and he was standing on his one leg and then two legs, and after that he got tired and sat on a grumpy looking lady, but she told that, "No, go away, leave this place." Okay, so Motulal tried to sit here, there, everywhere he searched, but nobody had given him the place to sit there, isn't it? So finally what he did, he sat on the floor facing the toilet. You can see here that the Motulal sat on the toilet, children, where in the train toilet is there, so he sat down there only, isn't it? So the odor of the toilet irritated him and he felt sick. Okay, his nose irritated his nose. Because irritated his nose uh, because the very bad smell was coming from the toilet. Okay, and he now got up and stood by the window in order to get some fresh air. And he again, after some time, he stood and went towards the gate, okay, where the window was there, and to get some fresh air. And he remembered there very clearly that how he had scolded a young lady that time, okay, while in the coming, okay, he very badly he had scolded to a young lady, okay, and he started to regret, okay, he started to feel sad that why he did so, okay, and why he did this very bad behavior with her. So he decided very soul behavior with her. So he decided that next time he will must share his birth, okay, he will not behave like this in the future. Now Motilal has decided, okay. Lastly, what he did, he said that now he understood that this type of behavior we shouldn't do with anyone, okay. We should also consider it to the people, isn't it? So we should must act that other peoples also will become happy. So he decided that he will share his birth with as many people as possible in the future. Okay, children. So who decided this thing? The Motilal. Okay, Motilal decided that from the next time I will must share, okay, my birth with as possible as many peoples I will share my birth. So next time Motilal traveled, and when the Motilal have to go next time, so when he was going from the next time, children, so he tried to occupy as little as space as possible, okay, on his birth. So next time he kept remember this thing, that no, I don't have to use my whole birth, I will must accommodate some other people also on my birth, okay. And he next time from he started to occupy as little space as possible on his birth, and he managed to accommodate a few children and an old man on his birth, okay. And he started to also give the places on his birth to some people, okay. And which type of people? Generally the children and the whom? Old person also, because old person can't stand too much longer, okay. So for a long time they can't stand, children, and children are also small, so they also want the comfortable place. So he understood in his journey that we should behave with everyone very nicely, okay. We should must considerate the other people also, we should must give the regards to other people, and we should must take care of their feelings, okay. So this is the consideration only, okay. It is the paying attention to what other people like and don't like, so that is consideration. So he understood about this, and he decided that next time he will not behave like that, he will must manage some on his seat to the few children and old people, and he will occupy less and less place. So this story I had explained you. You read the chapter, and some word meaning I have shown you and completed, and next I will also explain. So thank you, children.